People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting and subscribing. People, I truly appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. Big up in yourself, people. So sad news coming out of Jamaica today, people. Sad news. Dr. D.K. Duncan has passed away, people. Yeah, man, Dr. D.K. Duncan passes away from COVID-19, people. So former cabinet minister Dr. D.K. Duncan has died. Dr. Duncan, who recently tested positive for COVID-19, died in the hospital this morning. Dr. Duncan was diagnosed last month and was then admitted to hospital. A statement from his family at the time said after experiencing some signs of sinusitis and tiredness, out of an abundance of caution, Dr. Duncan did a COVID-19 test and the results indicated that he was positive. Dr. D.K. Duncan was a veteran politician. He was a former cabinet minister, former member of parliament, and former general secretary of the People's National Party. And a long time in politics, people. Long time. In 1977, Dr. Duncan was appointed Minister of National Mobilization and Human Resource. He was awarded the Order of Distinction Commander rank for outstanding service to the Electoral Commission. Tributes to Dr. Duncan have been pouring in since the news of his passing. Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips said on social media that he was a true revolutionary. He was a faithful soldier and a stalwart for the cause of the people. He dedicated his life to liberation struggle. He kept the red flag flying high despite the barriers and setbacks, Dr. Phillips said. Yeah, people, so I tell us sad news, people. It's never good when, somebody passes away. Just want to send your condolences that we're not going to get into what he or she did or what he or she didn't do. You don't know, people. We have to just send our condolences and wish the family all the best, people. But the family did release a statement, said, DK left an indelible mark on the social fabric of the nation. He was not afraid to challenge the status quo, speak his truth, and stand for equality for all people. He was fearless in championing issues that affect the majority of Jamaica that often feel they have no voice. He was a master political organizer, focused on participation and engagement to build a country and a movement from the ground up. He believed that collectively we could build a better Jamaica, the family said in a press release from the People's National Party. His family said he chose the PNP as his vehicle to chart the development of his country and was instrumental in the development of the party. They described Dr. Duncan, who was a husband, father, grandfather, great-grandfather, brother, uncle, and bona fide friend, as a giant, quote-unquote. He had a special relationship with his four brothers. DK has left in all of us a legacy of commitment to social justice, integrity, passion for people, truth, and love. He had a strong commitment to family and lived with a generosity of heart. He was deeply caring and always there for people in times of genuine need. So as I said before, people, my condolences goes out to DK Duncan and his family. Alright, bless up. So yeah, people, another magisterial recount in the bag, and me just again an update on it. And it says Lisa Hanna of the People's National Party has been declared winner of the South East St. Anne's seat, following a magisterial recount which concluded at the St. Anne Parish Court in St. Anne's Bay on Wednesday. Senior Parish Judge Vaughn Facey Hanna the victory with a count of 5,150 votes. 31 more than the 5,119 votes tallied for Delroy Grandstand of the Jamaica Labour Party. The victory means that the senior PNP member will now take her place as parliamentary representative in Garden House at its next sitting. Additionally, the overall seat count also remains unchanged in Parliament, with the JLP claiming 49 seats to the PNP 14 seats. A recount of the Southeast St. Ann constituency was requested by attorneys representing Granston, who lost the seat in a closely contested race in the September 3rd general election. At the end of the preliminary count on election night, Hanna polled 5,124 votes, 14 more than the 5,110 votes tallied by Granston. However, the official count gave the veteran PNP politician 5,122 votes for victory, while the JLP candidate received 5,090 votes. So yeah, people, Lisa Hanna won her seat after the Magisterial Recount, as I said before. So she ended up release a statement as well, people, thanking the people for trusting her and believing in her. Check it out, people. Let me know what you think.
Hi everybody. In recent days I've focused my time on sitting with and listening to my people in Seso, saying thank you and reaching out to persons who have been divided for too long. There's a reason why God has kept me here, and I will continue to walk in my purpose for the people. The healing has begun, and we're making steps to restoring the relationships critical to our contribution in surviving the very difficult days ahead for Jamaica. The people and I are also committed to working together in building bridges and improving our foundation. This, I believe, may serve as a catalyst in improving and transforming the party, as we have heard our supporters and the electorate that they need much more from us. SESA has been clear in their message that notwithstanding the constituency projects and the infrastructure improvements that have been made over the last 4 years, they too need more. Truth is, this year has been particularly difficult and challenging for us, as people's lives and livelihoods have been adversely affected and their immediate needs and concerns are central to their physical survival. I continue to listen, and I'm committed to delivering service to SESA. As a senior member of the PNP, I'm committed to ensuring that the party heals, it unites, and it continues to fight with and for our people. This must be done with compassion and empathy in the best interest of all. For the past 4 years, all Jamaicans, and especially our young people, have associated the PNP with its internal conflicts. This has distracted us from our true purpose, which is to serve the people. In 2020, we have received the resounding messages to be and to become better. It is therefore time for us to look forward, bring back the love, tear down the walls of division, and instead build bridges of human connection and understanding. This must be done with the people, where together we will build a future for Jamaica, one of monumental transformation for the benefit and dignity of all Jamaicans. Our work continues, but we have to find a new gear. We have to meet this moment together. We can't do it the same way. I'm here. I'm not gone nowhere. And I'll be in this fight with you all for the long haul. Big up yourself. Much love. Respect.
So yeah, people, that's what she had to say. Thank you. Independent girl. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Magisterial Recount. Again, do you think it was fair? Do you think she deserved it? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, man, let's open us up.